Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix site not loading in Hostinger websites BuildDirect 2026. So the not loading issue usually means a white screen, infinite loading, domain opens but page never shows, even works for you, not for visitors. Okay, so at first you will need to check the Hostinger server status, and that's just like a fast check. So before touching anything, you can open the Hostinger dashboard, and here, just here on home, okay, you can here check or look for maintenance, outage warnings. So if Hostinger server or servers are down, wait, this is rare but it happens. Okay, the second thing is to test the temporary Hostinger domain. So this tells you where the problem is. So you will need just to open a site using the temporary domain, okay, or subdomain, and then just open it. So for example, we'll link or we will go with connect domain here, and then you will find an option actually just right here in the bottom, next to next button. It says create a custom domain, so just go with it. Alright, and this is only when you're creating or adding a new website. Alright, so for example, let's consider that this is a custom domain and it's actually a custom one. Okay, so after testing it, you will need to compare the results. So if the temporary domain loads, that means the domains and DNS issue. If the temporary domain doesn't load, that's a builder or hosting issue. So if a domain issue, you will need to fix domain and DNS. Alright, and now I do really want you to go back to the dashboard here. Alright, and click on domains. Alright, and then just locate your domain here and change it or reset it. And the DNS propagation can take 1 to 24 hours, and don't keep changing DNS, it resets the timer. Alright, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.